The doors opened, the industry converged, and history was made. Welcome to the biggest, most vibrant edition of CMPL Expo yet. The ultimate epicenter for FMCG, contract manufacturing, and private label development. With halls packed to capacity, exhibitors showcase the future of retail readiness, cutting-edge packaging, and contract manufacturing excellence.
This is our fourth time exhibiting at CMPL Expo, and the way the whole show has been organized by Mr. Vicky and Gaurav sir, for our clienteles we get, the quality of people is fantastic.
We started with CMPL in 2019, I think. That was our first exhibition. We got Miniso from that exhibition. It was our first order we got in 2020 early, and today we are the #1 supplier in Miniso.
At the same time, we are thankful to the CMPL team for always giving us the opportunity to come and exhibit here. In our growth that has happened in the last few years, I think you guys have an immense role to play.
Every year we are seeing that CMPL is progressing like anything. More and more participants and all the top competitors are here. Well, very good to have for the industry's growth. As the Made in India products are being accepted world over, I can see it's a bright future for CMPL.
CMPL is such a platform wherein we are getting up customers from every category. Quality customers are generally have a footfall in that compared to any other exhibitions in India.
This is the only platform which we have in India and the biggest in Asia to showcase and get private label buyers for us.
When CMPL will cater to markets that are not just India but outside of India as well. And I can see there is a certain amount of seriousness with which this particular exposition has been taken by the people who are both running it as well as by the people who are participating in it, but more importantly by the people who are coming and experiencing it.
It always evolves for the better. Like you have pitch days, you have savor, you have these panel discussions, and the kind of people that we're meeting every single time at the exhibition is just elevated.
So CMPL, what they are doing, they are connecting retailer as well as manufacturer directly, where retailer have advantage to have additional benefits in terms of maintaining our gross profit and net profit.
One thing I would say is different than others is like the speed networking. Even though I have visited all the booths, the stalls, but speed networking gives lots of insights about their products, about their company.
Being a regular participant at CMPL as an exhibitor, now have a very rich library of exhibitors, both from the raw material, the packaging, the contract manufacturers, the fillers, and therefore anyone who intends to, let's say, do a startup, maybe in a matter of hours can fix up his entire supply chain, sourcing, and just walk away with the business ready to serve his customer.
I gather that the future is tremendously poised for contract manufacturing in India, and I think there is so much growth going to be in the area of contract manufacturing that many international brands will come to India for filling in India or getting the products made in India and then sold globally.
See, CMPL as a brand has grown very well. So over the years we have seen that the footfall has been rising, and the people behind the CMPL team is also amazingly excellent. They have amazing follow-ups.
CMPL एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है
जहाँ पे हर कंपनी को अपने प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने चाहिए। हमें यहाँ पर आने के बाद नए क्लाइंट्स मिलने के साथ साथ हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला।
Definitely, I will be looking forward eagerly to visit once again the CMPL.
Why? Because it's a single platform where you can meet the contract manufacturers, especially an organization like us for personal care, food and beverage. So to meet all the contract manufacturers plus the input suppliers like packaging suppliers and everything. So really it's a good platform.
Once we are moving out from this place, at least we'll get a minimum 20-25 leads. So while we are going to any other expos in India, this is where we are getting more fruitful results.
But it wasn't just about doing business. It was about celebrating the visionaries rewriting the rules of the industry. The CMPL Disruptors Awards took center stage, honoring the pioneers, innovators, and trailblazers driving retail and manufacturing into the future.
Every year we've been here, we've almost certainly got at least one big fish. That's good enough to per se pay back the ROI.
If I get 10 inquiries, out of 10, 2 to 3 clients are converted, which is a very good number. This is a good thing about CMPL, which I love the most.
The result is far more than our expectations. Like we have think of only 40-50%, but it is 400 to 500%.
3 days of endless opportunities, groundbreaking partnerships, and a phenomenal response to our exhibitors, speakers, award winners, and the record-breaking thousands who joined us. Thank you for making CMPL Expo an unprecedented success.